Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo Y100 4G. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Vivo Y100: height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 7.8 mm, and the weight is 196 grams. The build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of this device: it comes with AMOLED 16 color screen type and the screen size is 6.67 inches. The screen to body ratio 86.8% and the resolution is 1080p. Refresh rate is 120 Hz and with 1800 nits peak of brightness. The protection is Gorilla Glass 3. Let's go to the platform. It's come with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 685 6nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A73, GPU is Adreno 610 and the memory it's come with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of ROM and it's for micro SD card. The camera setup, it's come with dual camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor and it's record 1080p 60 fps video with main camera. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel and it's record 1080p 30 fps video with selfie camera. Let's talk about the battery backup. It's come with 5000 mAh battery and 80 watt wired charging, no wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wired charging support. The features and the common is Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, UFS 2.2 and IP54 water and dust resistance. The price of Vivo Y100 4G is $250.